Hello and welcome to Thai News. My name is Thai Nguyen and now today's headlines. Honoring 51 outstanding enterprises and 10 typical entrepreneurs in Thai Nguyen in 2013. Workshop on Taiwan scholarships grant for Thai Nguyen University lecturers and students. Creating momentum for more development. On the evening of February the 25th, Thai Nguyen Provincial People's Committee, in collaboration with the Provincial Labor Union, held a ceremony to honor outstanding businesses and entrepreneurs in 2013. Leaders of Thai Nguyen Province, Thai Nguyen City, and relevant agencies and branches attended the ceremony. In 2013, the national and international economy faced huge challenges. However, due to the lucid direction of Thai Nguyen leaders, enterprises in the province gradually overcome these difficulties and contributed greatly to the stability of the society and economy. At the ceremony, Mr. Dưng Ngọc Long, chairman of Thai Nguyen Provincial People's Committee, commended the achievements that businesses and entrepreneurs have achieved over the years and congratulated the enterprises and businesses who were regarded by the Provincial People's Committee and the Labor Union. He then asked business leaders and entrepreneurs to continue to promote the advantages of business and overcome difficulties to contribute to the socio-economic development of the province. At the ceremony, Thai Nguyen Provincial People's Committee and Provincial Labor Union awarded certificates of merit to 51 outstanding enterprises and golden cups to 10 typical entrepreneurs to honor their significant contribution in the development of the province. With the desire to create an intensive learning environment for lecturers and students of Thai Nguyen University, on February the 25th, Thai Nguyen University, coordinated with Taiwan Education Data Center in Vietnam, hosted the workshop Introduction to the Scholarship Programs of Taiwan Government and Universities for lecturers and students of Thai Nguyen University.
At the conference, representatives from Taiwan Educational Data Center in Vietnam showed lecturers and students of Thai Nguyen University some basics of Taiwan education, Taiwan universities and internship measures which are being offered in Taiwan. Along with this, the introduction on how to avail scholarship and professional training to international students are also presented. Currently, studying in Taiwan is a good choice for Vietnamese students for several reasons, such as low tuition, low cost of living, similar climate condition, and various part-time jobs for students to cover living expenses. Aside from educational exchanges and cooperation activities, which create conditions for Vietnamese students to select and access to advanced learning environment, the program also promotes cultural exchange, cooperation and development, enhance the understanding and friendship between Vietnam and Taiwan in general and university of the two countries in particular.
One of the secrets of the success of the businesses in Thai Nguyen Province in 2013 is the introduction of innovative management and the promotion of the role of the emulation movement in working place and production activities. An Khánh Thermal Power Joint Stock Company has strictly followed the two measures mentioned above. And over the last year of difficulties and challenges, the company has fulfilled its mission to create great momentum for growth in 2014. An Khánh Thermal Power Joint Stock Company was established in 2007. After 7 years, the company has grown and developed dramatically in many areas of investment, production and business. Currently, the company is directly and indirectly managing and operating a total investment of over 20,000 billion Vietnam dong in its projects and its associate companies. In 2013, despite the recession of the international and domestic economies, the company still gained good results because of its agility to capture the market. Its judgment and innovation in managing and mobilizing the strength of almost 400 employees in the company. We are determined to unite and take effective measures in order to complete our planned objectives. On that basis, in 2013, An Khánh Thermal Power Joint Stock Company accomplished its major goals, such as accelerating the completion of the project's objectives, followed by the implementation of the budget obligations, take care of the living conditions of its workers, and ensuring the progress of the construction of its plant as well. Those results not only came from innovating management, leadership and direction close to the actual production and business, associated with collective unity, but also from proactively seizing opportunities, creating flexibility in operating and decision-making performed by the leaders of the company. Those results contribute a very important role in creating the momentum for the company's breakthrough development in 2014. Going into 2014, the Communist Party Committee and the Board of Directors of the company defined their planned goals. 2014 is a core year. Our workers almost missed their New Year holiday because they need to finish installing the machine system number 1 by the end of the first quarter of 2014 and the machine system number 2 by June the 30th to enable us to conduct testing within 3 to 4 months after July the 1st and eventually inaugurate our thermal power plant in time for commercial electricity distribution in November. Besides strengthening its management, the company promotes the emulation movement of its workers, especially the good and creative workers movement and technical innovations. In short, the company contributed positively to the socio-economic development of Thai Nguyen province in 2013. This year, the company will officially put An Khánh Thermal Power Plant with the capacity of 100 megawatts into operation, the highlight of Thai Nguyen province as well as the company, to create a more and more powerful development. Now let's take a look at some other news.
Dong Hỷ district made tea production plan at the beginning of the year. Accordingly, the district will plant and replant 200 hectares of tea. Over the last few years, Dong Hỷ district has been particularly interested in investing to enhance local product value and simultaneously implemented many major projects like enhancing quality and safety of rural products and developing the biological airing product, managing and developing Chai Kai tea brand name. As of today, the hotel tea nursery gardens have fully met variety demands for tea production in 2014. Currently, the district is focusing on revising household and cooperative groups to grant Vietgap-based tea production certificate for further enhancement of tea value.
One of the socio-economic tasks of Phú Lương district is developing industry handicraft and striving to increase production value to over 300 billion Vietnam dong to promote human resources and other resource potentialities. In 2013, the district industry handicraft production value reached 260 billion Vietnam dong, with a total retail and service turnover of 800 billion Vietnam dong. The district focused on promoting the development of traditional craft villages. So now, the district has had 23 villages recognized as traditional craft villages. In 2014, the district strives to achieve 300 billion Vietnam dong of industrial traditional craft production. To reach this goal, it is focusing on solving problems in production and business activities of enterprises, implementing the one-stop mechanism to have businesses access capital as well as policies, and also on strengthening the direction and supervision of business in the process of revising and reorganizing production, innovating technology for improving manufacturing productivity, and fulfilling business targets in 2014.
Last 2013, Dong Hỷ District's General Hospital examined over 90,000 patients, meeting 113% of the plan, and provided internship treatment for 8,200 patients, making an increase of 6% compared to the year 2012, thanks to investment on more modern equipment and professionalism training for nurses and doctors. treatment for patients had been improved. Moreover, many new techniques have been applied, such as hysterectomy, bone joining and tests, which has gradually attracted patients coming for treatment at the hospital, contributing in lessening the load for upper-level hospitals. In the future, in addition to continuous improvement of medical care quality, the hospital will focus on directing and implementing learning and following the moral example of Ho Chi Minh, enhance and exercise medical ethics, code of conduct of the medical staff, boost training of specialists, developing techniques to meet the needs of patients and provide effective health care for people.
That comes to end the news today. Thanks for your watching. Goodbye and see you next time.